Hi, I'm Matt Toronto.
And I'm Kathy Toronto, and we are so excited to talk about our holiday open house. It's this December 9th from 9 to 4 p.m. in both Liberty and Leawood. And I'm excited to talk about one of my favorite things.
It's a great promotion we have going on.
Yeah, this is a darling bag. And so this December, we're offering a gift card promotion as well. So if you purchase a $1,000 gift card, you pay $800.
Yep, 20% off.
Yep. Or you can purchase a $500 gift card and you pay $400, also 20% off.
Also 20%.
And so when you purchase one or both gift cards, you automatically get entered to win this great bag.
I know. I think you're going to be buying gift cards. So
I kind of want to.
There you go.
So you can keep it for yourself or give it to someone you love.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun, but we're going to have a lot of fun things going on that day. We have at both locations a coffee bar in the morning. We've got food and drinks in the afternoon. We've got free B12 shots at both locations. You know, boost your immune system for the holidays. We got some great vendors. You can do some shopping. We're going to have Christmas music playing. It's going to be a lot of fun. But one of our favorite things to do during the season is support local charities. And so this Christmas we're supporting Rosebrooks and Casey Angels, which is up north. Rosebrooks is a organization that helps abused women and children, and Kansas City Angels really supports foster children and their families. It's wonderful. So the way we're doing this, if you donate $50 to either of those charities, you get a complimentary $25 baby foot, one of our most popular
Love this
products. Great product. If you donate $100 to either of those charities, you get Ultra Benefits, which is one of your favorite skincare products.
It every day.
Great hydrator, great for winter time. So we really want to support those charities. But come join us December 9th. We're going to have a great time. We would love to see you here. Lots of fun stuff going on. And you get a chance.
Share in the holiday cheer.
That's right. We look forward to seeing you on December 9th.